7, 10, 8. Yes, to my people waiting out there this morning, I really want to appreciate now for this special time. My own name is Papa Jojo, and I say another better good morning, as God don't even give us to do this special day, to say another better day. And wait till we get to give now this morning. Now still the season 2 of the TerraPower training program, where you get to do with the flexion extension movement and a training program alongside with your upper bodies. And the purpose of this one is to help you firm your bicep and to even help you build up your upper body. And for the program we'll get this morning, we take up from the continuation of what we get with where we stopped last week. So as you two just stay out there, you want to feel the spirit of fitness this morning, just waiting. Buckle up, wear your trainers, and straight away follow the count as we go. Now another dimension, just like as I tell you, say, now from where we don't stop, last time, now we will continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what will be the purpose of this one? You'll see, say, if you do it properly, you'll feel, say, now your waistline, they walk, and alongside the side obliques, they feel and say, like say you they suppress some fatty part from the side part of your stomach. So just try to the drum, and the more you follow up, you're going to feel, say, yes, it will relieve you some stressing part. Wait, won't disturb you from that part. So just flow 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now, if you look this one, from where we don't take our last time, 2, then side, 3, side, 4. Now, so you follow your count. 5, like that. 6, follow your count. 7, then 8. In another dimension, you hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you return back. If you look at your system, a ball and socket joint we get for our shoulder point. So it go be like say they rotate, they circulate. It go take them up 6, 7, then 8. Now you take them back to side. You return 1 like that. 2. For this level where they take on, my viewers where they out there where they watch us, if you look the way I flex, they extend my hand above my head. Now only the shoulder point, no change the position. Meanwhile, wait to be the purpose, so that I go feel the impact of what they do. Now you make one not allow the shoulder point, the elbow point to change in own place. And as you do them, you're going to feel the impact on top your elbow. 6, 7, then 8. Now you return. You go 1 like that. 2, no cheat yourself. Try to do it well. 3, rightly. 4, with your count. 5, the more you try to pull, the band they resist. So now there the effect and the impact of what they do it in day. 7, then 8. Now the other one where you want to do, you want cross stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now only 8. 5, 6, 7, then 8. All right. The other one what they do, when you put your hand inside, then you try to extend back lifter 2. You go put the resistance force 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Now the other one what they do, to my viewers where they are there, the more you try, just only one leg. One leg will pin the band down. Then your hand on the ready. Go. 1, 2, 3. Now only 5, 4, then 5. Yes, my people waiting out there. I really want to thank you for this special moment when I don't spend with us. My own name remains Papa Jojo. But before me, I'm going to come out. I just want to let you know, say, on this point where we want to stop, I want to give you an assignment, say, may you go back on your own. Go take them as your own personal homework to work this special program on the other side of your leg and your hand. Until next time, see you. Have a nice day. God bless. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
if you know say, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.